How to share projects on CapCut PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can share any projects with your friends from your CapCut in your PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your CapCut app from your device. Now from here, select any project, or if you would like to create a new project, click on New Project. Then click on to Import. In order to export or share this project, you will see an option that says Export on your top right. Click onto it, and this is the file location where the project will be saved. You can go ahead and click onto it and see the destination file. Now you know the file location, you can go ahead and share this to any of the social media platforms. Now there's also another option that is Modify. If you click onto the Modify option from your middle section, you will see Copy the Project option. In case you click on Copy to Project and share this file, under Import Material, you will see an option that says Copy to Project. If you click on Copy to Project and save this file and share it to your friends, they won't be able to see all the elements that you used, meaning they won't be able to edit the file. However, just click on to keep an original place and save the file and share it with your friends. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.